call this video Precarious Bike Ride. Mostly precarious because you shouldn't really be riding your bike and taking a video. But at least if I crash or run over a basco, it'll be caught on tape. Or whatever this is. Yeah. Sweet. There's the ocean. There's some people. Yeah. Oh, green light. Green light means go. There's an old man texting. Nope, taking a nap. There's a fellow Videgori traveler. There's a babe. There's a guy doing some tricks. This is probably the coolest video I've ever taken. I'm not really gonna lie about it. There's a dude. There's a little kid. I should just continue filming for a while. There's a guy texting and walking. It's one of my favorite activities to do at the same time. Oh shoot. How are we gonna do this? This way. Oh no. So we're gonna just go ahead to the other beach, I think. This is la parte vieja. It's a police. Nope, nobody's in there. Too bad. Pigeon. Oh my goodness, this is the perfect time to be filming. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Video, eh? Mejor, video.
¿De dónde eres, Giri?
Giri total, ¿no? Total. He just asked me, where are you from? And then he says, Giri. And Giri is basically a really kind word for a tourist. Minus the kind part. And I said, yeah, I'm a freaking Giri. Giri total. I mean, this is pretty cool though, until the cop sees me and gets mad. I'm gonna get arrested. That'll make Dad really happy. Dad, I got arrested in the Basque Country. Hopping back on the Bidegorri. And circling around to La Concha. Which is gorgeous. There's a little merry-go-round thing. A little play area for the kiddos. Picnic. Alright, we're gonna go back into La Parte Vieja. So, love you. Talk to you later.